Hello everyone, this is Kumar Swami. I am from IT department MRCW. So in this session we will discuss about different types of syntax, and next one is how to write the comments in Python programming, and how to verify the keywords, and how to write the variables, right? So basic concepts, we will learn about different types of basic concepts in Python programming, right? So how to execute small basic concepts in Python programming means, so here we are using IDLE, right? So here we are executing different types of basic concepts by using IDLE concept. So let us see first example. Here I'm showing basic concepts along with executions, right? So first one is statements and syntax, right? So in statement and syntax, let us see execution. Number one, here I'm taking a equals to hello, right? Then press enter button. So this is the string, that's why I'm writing within the double quotation I'm writing hello, because of this is the string. Then press enter button, right? So this is a declaration. A is the variable, hello is the string, right? So here there is no data types. In Python programming, we don't have data types declaration. So according to C programming, we need data types. Int a equals to hello. But here we are writing a equals to hello. Then coming to take one more uh, variable, b equals to 1, 2, 3. Next, c equals to 8.9, right? So this is a declaration part in Python programming. Let us see how to print the a value, b value, and c value, right? In C programming, we are using print statement, but coming to Python programming, just you have to type then press enter button, right? So it displays the hello string. Same similar to B, B variable, right? 1, 2, 3. Then similar to C variable, that is a 8.9 floating point. Some cases you can use same statement print of a, small a, right? The next print of B, then it prints 1, 2, 3. So this is a first example. Then coming to second one is multiple statements in Python programming. How to write multiple statements in Python programming. Let us see example. For example, A equals to, according to previous concept, hello. The next one is semicolon, B equals to 7, semicolon, then C equals to 6.7, 6.9, right? Then press enter button. So here how to specify whether whether the statement consists of multiple instructions there are not, right? How to verify means, by using semicolon you have to separate the statements. So up to a equals to hello, so this is the first instruction, and b equals to 7 means second instruction, and c equals to 6.9, that is the third instruction. Then print the individual values, print the a value, b value, and c value. Let us see a value, right? The next one similar to b value, right? So it prints a value and b value and c value. So this is about the multiple statements, how to write the multiple statements in single line. Next, one more example, how to write the comments in Python programming, right? In C programming we are using hash button, but coming to here we are using the yes, that is a indication. Let us say example, right? A equals to 45. After that I'm pressing, I'm using one notation. So this is the variable, right? So this is the variable. Then print A. It prints 45, right? So here notation, yes, comment line notation. So this instructions is not using any instructions. I mean any indications. But in C programming and other programming languages, so we are using different types of notations or different types of symbols according to programming language, right? The next one is one more, identifiers. Python identifiers, right? So what is the meaning of identifier? So here I will explain with an examples, right? So identifier, it is a name, whether it is a variable name or according to programming language. So you have to specify whether it is a variable or function or class or module or any other objects, right? So based on the programming, you have to specify whether it is a function or module or variable. So let us see one of the variable, right? And here we have different types of instructions are there. I mean conditions, right? See the first condition. So according to Python identifiers, first of all, each and every identifier, it consists of, I mean starts with the characters, that is a capital A to capital Z. This is the first instruction, I mean first limit of the Python identifier starts with the character, that is from starting capital A to capital Z. Or some cases it allows 0 to 9, I mean numbers and characters, and it does not allows the special characters. It does not allows the special characters, and it allows the underscore, right? I will give you small examples on the Python identifiers. Let us see first example, number one. So that is a underscore A equals to 9. Next, print of underscore A, right? So it prints 9. I mean it allows underscore A, right? Then take one more example, at the rate B equals to 7, right? It shows the syntax error because of it does not allows special characters, right? So this is a first verification. Then second, next one is a second example, underscore, second example, underscore B equals to 7. Then check the statement underscore B, right? So it allows single underscore and double underscore also, right? Take one more example, dollar dollar b equals to 5, right? So here at the rate and dollar both are special characters, that's why it's not taking notations. I mean special characters are not allowed in Python identifier because of this is a name or variable or function or module name, right? Then take one more examples, and A is not equals, I mean B equals to 2, right? So it shows the invalid syntax, right? Then take one more example. At the rate A. At the rate A equals to 10. At the rate A equals to 10, right? So these all are different types of identifiers verification, right? The next example, one more example, keywords, right? So how to verify the whether the given variable is keyword or not, right? According to C programming, we have different types of keywords. Examples are if keyword, else if, right? So like that, Python programming consists of different types of, yes, different types of keywords are there, right? So let us see one by one examples, right? So first one is first keyword if equals to 12, right? Then it shows this is a given keyword is a syntax, yes, that is a not a keyword, right? That's why it shows the invalid syntax, right? So if is same similar to else equals to 98, right? Then again it shows the invalid syntax. That's why else and key if are both are the keywords in Python programming, right? Let us see how to check the number of keywords in Python programming. Number one, help of. See the syntax, help of, within the double quotation, I'm typing keywords, right? Then press enter button, right? So these all are the Python programming keywords. Examples are capital letter false, class, from, are, none, continue, global, pass, right? True, def, and if, rise, and, right? So these all are the different types of Python programming keywords, right? The next one is how to check whether the given keyword is, yes, Python keyword or not. See the example, keyword, keyword dot is keyword. Keyword dot is keyword, within the brackets write the keyword name, right? Within the, right? So here it shows the, yes, that is the given word is a not a keyword, right? It shows the name keyword is not defined, right? Same manner, right? The next one is one more thing is variables, right? Already we discussed integer variable and string, right? So here print the A variable and B variable and C variable. Then coming to how to swapping in between X and Y value or some cases A and B values. According to C programming, we have three variables. A variable, B variable, and next one is the temporary variables. A value stored into temp, then next one is the B value stored into A, and again temp value stored into B. Right now, swap the values in between A and B, right? In C programming, we need three variables. But coming to Python programming, we need only two variables. So how to swap the values in between X and Y values? Let us say example, X comma Y equals to, X comma Y equals to 1 comma 2, right? Then press enter button. Then coming to, this is a declaration point too. Then next to print the X value and Y value. X value, then Y value. Next, I'm applying swapping concept in between x and y value, right? Let us see. Syntax: x comma y equals to y comma x. Let us see verification. So initially x equals to 1 and y equals to 2. After swapping, then you can check the x value, and next one is the y value, right? So initially x equals to 1 and y equals to 2. Now coming to here, after swapping, x equals to 2 and y equals to 1. The next two, assign the same value to multiple variable. Assign the single value to multiple variable. For example, I am taking 10. So here I'm assigning this 10 value into a value, a variable, b variable, and c variable. Let us see how to write, how to declare, how to assign the one value. A equals to b equals to c equals to 10. I'm assigning 10 value to a and b and c. Then press enter button. Check the a value 10 and b value 10 and c value 10. Or some cases you can check both a and b values 10 comma 10, and you can verify a, b and c value 10 comma 10 comma 10, right? So this is the execution for the swapping in between two variables, right? The next one is yes, that is a small example. One more example I'm taking: quotations, right? So how to write the quotations in Python programming, right? X equals to single quote or double quote. You can take single or double quote. Hello. Then print x value. Same manner, instead of single quote, I am taking y equals to double quotes. HELLO, right? Then print y value, right? So this is the quotations. How to write the quotations in Python programming. Or some cases you can take with the triple quotes also. X equals to single triple quotes with the quotation. I am taking hello string 1 2 3, three single quotes. Then check the result: x equals to hello. So instead of this one, y equals to same manner, three double quotes 1 2 3 HELLO, right? 1 2 3. Bas. Then check the y value, right? So these all are the basic concepts, right? Basic concepts in Python programming, right? So this is the execution process by using IDLE, right? Thank you one and all for watching my video.